आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे नया सेट जो थर्मोडायनामिक्स के प्रीवियस ईयर स्टेट पीएससी के क्वेश्चन के सीरीज का। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्रेशर ऑफ वन एटमॉस्फेयर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू क्या होगा 0.101325 मेगापास्कल 750 ऑफ मरकरी 1 बार 0.101325 किलो पास्कल। तो चलिए इसका आंसर देखते हैं। आंसर होगा ए 0.101325 मेगा पास्कल। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। वन एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू 101,325 पास्कल is equal to 1.01325 bar is equal to 760 of mercury is equal to 760 torr is equal to 0.101325 meganewton is equal to 14.6959 pound force per square inch। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ए स्टील बार ऑफ मास 1 kg and a specific heat 0.4 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius is at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. It is dropped into 1 kg water at 20 degrees Celsius. The final steady state temperature of water is 23.5 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius। इसका आंसर होगा ए 23.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस। चलिए इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। तो मास ऑफ बॉल इज गिवन 1 kg एंड स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू ऑफ बॉल दैट इज CB इज इक्वल टू 0.4 किलोजूल पर kg केल्विन इज गिवन। टेम्परेचर ऑफ B1 means temperature of ball is given 60 degrees Celsius and mass of water is given 1 kg and a specific value of water, a specific heat value of water is given 4.18 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and water temperature is given 20 degrees Celsius and we will assume that the final steady state temperature of ball and water be T degrees Celsius. Then we know that for this case the condition will be change in heat, that is Q of ball is equal to heat transfer of means Q ball is equal to Q W means this will be equal when we will put the value of MB CB TB1 minus T is equal to MW CW TW T minus TW1, then after simplification we will get temperature, that is a steady state temperature is equal to 23.5 degrees Celsius। Next we take a 120 V electric resistance means 120 volt electric resistance heater draws 10 ampere. It operates for 10 minutes in a rigid volume. Calculate the work done on the air in the volume. 7240 kilojoule, 720 kilojoule, 12,000 joule and 12 kilojoule। इसका आंसर देखते हैं 720 किलोजूल। चलिए इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। W is equal to VIT means we have to calculate work done on air in the volume. Therefore W is equal to VIT, where V is equal to given 120 volt and I is given 10 ampere and T is given 10 into 60. Here we have given 10 minutes. That's why we will change 10 minute into second. That will be 600 second. So after simplification, we will get 720 kilojoule. Next question देखते हैं. Air is compressed in a cylinder such that the volume changes from 0.2 to 0.02 meter cube. Meter cube. The initial pressure is 200 kilopascal. If the pressure is constant, the approximate work is. Here we have to calculate work done. So let's see the answer. Answer is minus 36 kilojoule. Now we will see the explanation. Work done if the pressure is constant. So will know this formula. W is equal to integration from 1 to 2 P dV. After integration we will get P V2 minus V1. After putting the value of P and V2 and V1, we will get minus 36 kilojoule as a work done. Next question देखते हैं. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code. So in list 1 it is given law of thermodynamics, and in list 2 defines. So first law of thermodynamics what defines, and second law of thermodynamics what defines, third law, zeroth law. So and so we will go to the answer. So let's see. So answer is given here, that is 4. Means first law of thermodynamics defines internal energy, and second law of thermodynamics, as we know, defines entropy. In the same way, zeroth law defines temperature, as we know, and third law of thermodynamics defines absolute zero temperature. So your answer will be 4. तो ये था हमारा 5 क्वेश्चन का सीरीज.